We are 2 minutes away from the house that we're gonna be staying in. Yeah, this is 6212. Alright, this is a house, guys. We have arrived. The first one's here, I think. Okay, see you in a bit. Alright, we are in the house. We've been here for about maybe an hour. I'm about to go into the pool. This is where I'm gonna stay with Philip and Stella, my daughter. The other room. That's where Van, Teresa, and Chloe will be staying.
If you don't, you die.
You okay, Stella?
Look, you can sit right here. There you go.
Chillin', chillin', chillin'. Woohoo! This thing is like wobbly. Wobbly the house. A little cold.
See that little ducky?
Alright, so we're officially in chill mode. Stella, you having fun? It's actually a big pool. It's huge.
Embarrassing. I can't even do it anymore.
Shut it. I did in Florida, okay? I floated in Florida. It's pretty nice here, actually. Say chill mode. Chill mode. Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Daddy.
You having fun? Look, you're floating. Lay down like this, chin up. Look, she was floating. With their chin up and everything. Ready?
Lost you.
I was doing surfing. Whoa! Oh, Stella. Oh, be careful. Be careful. You're almost it. Go in the middle. Middle. You can hold it. Hold it, hold it, hold it. You can do it.
Okay.
Stand up. Whoa! Look at the surfer. Don't hold on to Papa.
I'm being careful.
Okay.
Okay, I'm being Look, you're wiggling. Something is wiggling.
Now can you do a backflip? Can you jump in the water? Whoa! Good job!
Woohoo! The boogie works! I'm a surfer.
Set, go!
Yes!
Jump! Woohoo! Everybody is here now. We're gonna be here for 3 days. 3 days. Look at all the water they bought.
Ano sinasabi mo dyan? Ha? Ano? Hi guys, manyamit ban?
Let's see what's cooking in the kitchen.
Of course. Guys, look, listen up, alright? This is what you call kinilaw.
Do you have the plates na?
It means ceviche. Okay? Raw fish, R-A-W, raw. We're gonna taste it. Ooh, vinegar. Meron tong vinegar.
It's gotta be this vinegar though.
Yeah. No, very good.
Sure. Masarap to, right? That means it's very good, pare. This is my dad.
Oh, where's the rice? This is what we call humba.
So why is it so kind of sauce? Oil. This is vitamin for my... You wipe it con... Wipe paper.
There's one right there. Gotta have rice. You know what I mean? So, how many dozen eggs is this? Like, look at all the eggs, dude. For 3 days, there's more over there.
Tingnan na ikaw magbayad.
250.
Dad, explain.
Aha! Huli!
Oh my god. Look at all that meat. Oh my god. This is excessive. Yes. And look how much cherry they bought. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Hamburgers.
Kuya, wala kuya.
Ala, si Kuya!
Wala si Kiki.
Balik! No, si Kuya nagpatid.
Girls naman, girls.
The BPL girl.
Okay, we are about to have dinner out here.
What is about the big spoon?
Ceviche, humba, salad,
Who made this?
adobo, more humba, and
More
rice.
umba and more...
Humba and humba.
Yum, yum, yum.
Here comes the baby. Hi, baby.
Hello.
Alright, he's about to start a fire.
Leave me alone. I've started many campfires. I just wanted to do it this way.
Bim, don't be you wielding that thing crazy.
The flames are dancing.
Don't go too close to it, okay? Okay, who wants gummies? Oh, that was hard. That scared me. I saw a ghost over there. I thought I saw somebody pass by. I swear.
I am. There's somebody in the fridge. You should have seen what I saw at camp. I drew it.
What? Ben.
What? Look. I was in the middle. Someone was in the middle of the
Okay, okay. Stories you tell in the
moth.
dark.
Someone was in the
It's stories to tell in the dark time.
I saw this in
Where?
the chapel. Literally, I blinked. I saw it and I blinked and it was gone. It flexed its wings.
Inside the chapel?
It was like 40 feet
That's
tall.
creepy.
I'm Demon Slayer.
Where's my bag?
If you got a demon problem, you know who to call.
Where's your earphone? Where's your earphone?
Doesn't matter. You chose yours? It's my name. Which one? 6 to 10. 6 to 10. Once you make it, once you Calling where? Should I should? Eliminate. Elimination.
I'm tipsy a bit.
You got 6 to 10, right? You got 0, 0, 0. We have. Make one in first. Up. The other way in. And then this side. No. Ooh, scratchies. So now I got